big challenge is nowadays what I feel that inclusive classroom. You know that according to the data, 1/3 population is struggling with intellectual disability. And it's really very sad that 1/3 population across the globe is struggling with the intellectual disability. It is not about only that the 21st century learners or we are develop 21st century skills. We are at the end of 21st century. We are talking about Gen Z, Alpha and all that. We are at the end of Alpha. From next year it's Beta. But still we are developing the same skills from so many years. So what to do? Let's plan again. If I'm not able to manage your class, it's a core competency of a teacher to manage your class. How intelligent you are, how expert in your subject, that is the second part.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nishi Fogart and it was my pleasure and amazing experience interacting to the wonderful teachers. Seriously, it is wonderful experience and I learned lots of things from teachers also, and they participated actively in all the activities. And today we talked about different strategies and methods of teaching. Already number of teachers knows the strategies, but I guided them how to implement these activities into the regular classrooms. It was really amazing. Thank you so much everyone.
Soft, candy floss. All out. Only one. Again, Simon says up. Simon says hands down. Very good. No cheating. One. Sir. One. Two. Three. Madam. Task पर complete होगा तो तेल आपको लगाएंगे। और नहीं आप ऐसे नहीं हो ऐसे जोड़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. This is again planning. Okay.
The session was very informative. As teachers, we all know different strategies, how to use them in the class. But today actually, there are some new things which we came to know, like how to move from the intelligent quotient to the emotional quotient. Generally, as a teacher, we are just going to the class and teaching, and sometimes maybe we act as a guide also. But today, our trainer, she has helped us with a lot of different strategies, new strategies, which we can implement in our class, and how to develop the emotional quotient of a child. Not only the intelligent quotient. A child may be academically good, but emotionally, the child should also be developed so that the child can cope up with all the societal pressure in his life.
It was a very delightful experience because we got to learn about many other things that is related with teaching strategies, and the research person was a wonderful person who we did a lot of fun-filled activities, and even though the duration was very short, we could learn a lot of things from this experience. So I'm very thankful that we could all be participating and had a wonderful time today. Thank you.